Hello teacher, today I'm going to defend my third assignment. So what should I do? I should use some of solid principles, check authorization in database, hashing to password field, password check with hash. So first of all, let's start with database method. I created a DB message class that provides methods for connecting to a PostgreSQL database and creating a statement object. The class has two private instance variables, con of type of connection and statement type of statement. So both of them initially set to no. The connected DB method takes three parameters: is the database name, username, and password. It first loads the PostgreSQL JDBC driver using the class for name method. It then establishes the database connection using the driver manager get connection methods, passing in the database URL, database name, username, and password. So if the connection is successful, a connection object is returned connection. Otherwise, an error message will printed to the console. So in create statement method creates a new statement object using the create statement method of the connecting object stored in the con variable and returns the statement. Let's go ahead. Next, we create a registration class with a register method that allows the users to register by entering a username in a password. Here we have three private fields: DB method, statement, and receipt. DB method is an instance of the DB methods class that supposedly contain methods of connecting to the database. Statement is an instance of the statement class that is used to execute SQL statements, and RS is a result set is an instance of the result set that is used to get the results of database query. In register methods, first of all, we make connection to the database using DB methods and creating a new statement. So the user is promoted to enter a username in and password. The user's password is hashing with a hash password method that used a security hashing algorithm. And the hashed password, username in insert into the SQL query string, which is then execute using the execute update methods of the statement object. If the request is successful, the method prints a success message to the console. So next, I create a captcha class that generates a random string of characters. The class has three static three static fields. Characters is a string containing all the characters that can be used in CAPTCHA. Length is integer representing the length of the CAPTCHA string, and random is a random object used to generate random numbers. The generate CAPTCHA method is a static method that returns a string. It used a string builder to build the CAPTCHA string character by characters. For each character, a random number from 0 to the length of characters is generated and used to select characters from string of characters. So finally, it returns the completed CAPTCHA string. So after that, we create login that extends CAPTCHA. So we make connection with the database, and the user is promoted to enter a username or in and password. So after that, user entered his username or in and password, we check is it username or in with is numeric method. If it consists numbers double, it's return true. If not number, it's return false. So if it's numbers, then query is a in. If it's letters string, query is a username. So after that, we check if hashed password from database equals hashed password input password. So we print successful logged in. Else we print incorrect username or password, and login attempts will increase and decrease. So if login attempts equal 0, we generate CAPTCHA, and if users input CAPTCHA input equals CAPTCHA, so we give to user 3 attempts. If it's not equal, system is exit. So let's check registration. Oh, sorry. Username. Successful register and login. Successful login in. So let's check CAPTCHA. Oh, sorry. So, incorrect captcha and programs exist. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.